Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, you can tell I still sound like, or more like Kermit the Frog than I used to. I sound like Kermit to me when I talk on camera. I tried the pineapple juice cough syrup and I love it. It has been working really well for me. I actually am completely over whatever bug got a hold of me, but I'm still taking it because it relieves the pain in my neck. And it also makes my throat better. So, I have made a big batch, almost a full jar of the pineapple juice cough syrup, and I'm going to see how it freezes because I want to make a bunch up to have on hand so I don't have to keep making it all the time. So I'm just going to pour this in a jelly jar size, about 3/4 of the way full, because I'm going to freeze this and I want to leave enough room for expansion. If you freeze liquids, I recommend always using a straight-sided jar, not one that has shoulders on it. It helps keep the jars from breaking when the fluids expand. They go up more so than out. And I am going to put a cap on this, and I'm going to put the ring on there, but just barely. I'm just going to stand it upright, and I'm going to see how it does, how it freezes. And tomorrow we'll check back and see how it did. I just wanted to share with you the results of my frozen pineapple juice cough syrup. The reason I chose to freeze it is so that I always have it on hand. And when I buy pineapple juice, one batch only calls for 1 cup of pineapple juice. And so I either have to drink the rest, which is usually no problem because I love pineapple juice, or it's going to go bad on me. So I decided to make it in a big batch and freeze some so that I have it. And it really turned out good. I decided in the freezer, I just set the lid on in case it expanded more than I thought it would. And you can see it did nicely. That's been in the freezer for 24 hours. And so I think I'm going to make a bunch of these and keep them in the freezer for winter. I'm really liking this. I gotta tell you, it's really good. I tweaked it just a little bit. Added about a 1/4 cup more of apple juice and another 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, or about another 1 tablespoon of honey. And that's nice. It's a lot better than the first batch. So that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. And have a great day. Bye-bye.